Good morning, boys and girls. I don't know if you read that flask thing, but I came to the conclusion that thing was so deprecated. I also don't know anything about Flask, so therefore we're going to set up this little basic repo that I have, and we're basically just going to translate that Flask thing into Express and do it that way. The problem is, of course, is that I'm mostly just a Selenium person. At least, like, pretty much the only jobs I really had in tech is Selenium. Otherwise, I mainly just work as a golf course landscaper and just basic lawn care. Basically, I had the joys of entering into the tech industry. I think it was like 1 week before ChatGPT came out. So you can understand that that's not really a good time to enter into the tech industry, because that's when all the junior level programmers become obsolete. But we do what we can. As we could see, we just have some basic stuff, just basically a users table, some CSRF stuff. And we're going to see what we could do with it, and at least we're going to figure out what we could do at the present moment to try to get this thing up and running. We're going to see if this front end is finally done. 163 vulnerabilities, because this thing is horribly out of date. So we're going to do that. I still don't know. I just still don't feel comfortable when you're trying to do something that says recommended protections disabled and you don't know what the hell you're doing. Good, we're updating everything low, so that's what we need to do. And this is the one thing I was trying to work on in the past. I think it actually has a chance to actually do something. I mean, I'm not going to say it actually has a chance to do something, because it probably won't, but I'm going to touch an ENV. So we figure out, at least slowly begin playing with this and trying to drag it into the 21st century. I'm going to keep this dot example. I mean, I think this is a private repo. I'm just going to make sure before I push it. API private. I mean, obviously, I'll be changing all these jot things before it gets put into the real world, so don't think about that. Okay, now we're down to 8 vulnerabilities. Not bad. So let's do this again. You think it will get rid of all these vulnerabilities, for some reason you had to run it a couple times, and each time you have fewer vulnerabilities. And if you're asking why, I'll be honest, I don't know. So we had this. Seems like it's a users table. Users. We got users one here. Here's the what the hell that is for the something. So we're gonna have to basically take that old Flask thing that we had, translate it into Express. And I think that's actually going to be quicker than actually having to type all this crap out ourselves, if that makes any sense. At least I hope so. Okay. Now I think it got worse for some reason. NPM audit fix. I think I had some of these in the root. Yeah, npm install. Okay, this is available. This I didn't. It's still figuring out. What the hell I have this here? I don't know. But let's figure out if I actually migrated this or not yet, because it doesn't seem like I did. So I'm just going to delete this for now. And it didn't change anything. I wonder what happens if we... I don't want you, Alexa. Why the hell are you there? Why the hell is Alexa... I don't know. Okay, let's just start this and see what happens. What can really go wrong? I don't know what the hell this means. Isn't this fun? So that's not working. So let's go here, clear it out. Go back and then sequelize npx.env sequelize db migrate. There we go. npx.env sequelize db seed everything. Seed things. Let's see what the hell happened now. Maybe now we could get this to run. Right? No. Because we don't know what the hell this means. Which is why we have to go to ChatGPT. Because this is a lot quicker than frickin' trying to... Yeah, I gave up on the Flask. The Flask is given up on. Can you decipher this error for me? No, this is great. That's what I thought. And no, I don't want to do this. I want to actually... Part of me wants to do this, actually wants to use something that's... Update Webpack. Okay, so let's start, because I know I'm using React scripts. npa update React scripts. So let's do it that. And it won't let me do that for some reason. So I'm going to copy this, go here. There we go. If it sounds like I'm in uncharted waters, it's because I'm in uncharted waters. Check package JSON. Let's look package JSON. And what do we need? Webpack. Webpack. Webpack, isn't this fun looking for this with your friend North Sentinel Island? But if it sounds like I don't know what the hell I'm doing, it's because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that got good. That's running. Okay, let's just do this. npm update Webpack. We're just gonna. Hmm. Okay, so yeah, let's just update everything and go. While resolving this, found this. Cannot resolve dependency. Okay, now we added some stuff. Hmm. Okay, another option is just to bring this into the 21st century and figure out what the hell I'm using CSurf. Can you just recommend hashing things similar to CSurf? So I can just drag this into the 21st century. Okay. Let's just see if we can get this to start. It might be easier. At least it's different. No, skipping I soloed as a pilot, and skipping pre-flights is probably not a good idea. Hmm. I don't even think I saw Webpack here. Yeah, I don't have Webpack. Okay, packagelock.json. Bye bye packagelock.json. Delete node modules. Bye bye node modules. I don't even think I had Webpack here, but let's check again one more time. And I can guarantee you I don't have Webpack. Okay, let's just install this again and see what happens. npm install. If worst comes to worst, I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to have to build this entire thing from scratch. Which is going to be fun, but I'm going to do what I have to do. Let's just npm start this. Okay. Higher up in the tree. I have an idea. Let's just get rid of this whole thing. And we're going to have to start this all over again. RM, RF, API. Bye bye. Mark directory. Mutual aid, because that's what it's called. CD into mutual aid. Okay. Because I give up on this. Good afternoon. Can you give me the boilerplate code for Sequelize? I need to make a new project as my old boilerplate stuff was out of date. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm gonna switch this. Okay. Okay, we're initializing this. We're making Postgres, which I hate. Absolutely hate. I can tell you I hate Postgres with a vengeance. Dude, man, I like. Hmm. I don't even know what the hell I did. So let's just code this. in-flight. Like, when did we get all, like, I've been coding for like 2, maybe 3 years, and I never heard all these aviation terms. Okay, I got .env, I got SQLite, SQLite, CLI, all this good stuff. What's up with all these in-flight things? I mean, I kind of like it because it's neat, but okay, I did that. npx, SQLite, CLI, init. Okay, I did this before, so I don't think I'm gonna. npx, SQLite, CLI, init. Good, 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 good. We're actually getting somewhere. Good, we got all that beautiful stuff. Modify.dnv, good. ls touch.env, unless I already have one, which I don't think I do. There we go. Touch.touchenv.example. I mean, it's a little bit easier to do these things in SQLite 3, SQLite 3, SQLite 3. Good. Good. And config.json. Isn't this always fun? And I'm not interested in MySQL. Uh-oh. Did something. So let's do this and copy this politely. Okay, create a model. Let's create a model. Eventually what I'm going to have to do is just shove all this stuff into... There we go. npx db migrate. It's a little bit easier to do it this way, I think. Uh-oh. Yes. Okay, we could get to that later on. Server.js. This is copy pasta stuff first. Server. That was my server. config. Okay, so I guess they just want me to make it server.js. Do you see a server.js there? Because I don't. So, first things first, mark directory backend. I have to do some stuff here. Mutual aid. I guess that's what I'll call this thing. There. Copy. Go in here, please. Thank you. Alright, so we got this. Touch server.js. Touch server.js. Oh, nope. Into backend now. Touch server.js. .config. Good. Okay, good. Routes/index.js. Let's make that clear. CD backend. Okay. B1. Directory routes. CD into routes. Touch index.js. Index.js. Touch user routes.js. Anything else that I forgot while I'm here? I think we're good. Okay. And I might as well do something besides C-Surface. I heard that sucks. Okay, routes. Index. Oh, this is here. I don't want you here. I want you up here. There we go. Okay, server.js. That's good. Routes. Index.js. User routes. Okay. For the time being, that's, well, what I need. Get users, create users. User routes.js. Controllers. User controller.js. Do I have a controllers now? So there are like these new things I never even heard of before. there is one. Controllers, user controller.js. Okay. Mark directory, controllers, cd and controllers. CD and controllers. Okay, good. So we go here. User controller.js. I never even heard what a controller is before. I mean, part of me is just doing this, wants to do this just to get used to this again. So, it's for the best. npm run dev, yeah, because I'm not using Postgres, because I hate Postgres. Okay, so I have everything kind of set up. And then it's going to fuck up because we're in that one thing that I completely forgot about. Because we have that for some reason. Only one issue with this copy pasta. I don't want Postgres. I thought I fixed this. SQLite 3. Yep, yeah, that's what I thought. I knew. Should have actually known better. Good. SQLite 3. There's no point in installing it. I mean, it's just easier to SQLite 3. SQLite 3, SQLite 3, SQLite 3. And SQLite 3. Good. Models index. That makes a quick index.js. JS. There we go. Okay, let's clear this out. Probably gonna be some sort of error with the okay. Equalize. Models. Let's figure out what I did. SQLite This is what happens when you think. Okay, SQLite, SQLite, SQLite. Here. Was there an SQLite? No. That's always good. SQLite. Clear. Let's try this again. This is strange. Controllers, user controllers. Ooh, I see what I did. This is called a typo. Controllers. Control. Two L's. L-E-R-S. The interesting thing is that I could see, like, in the olden days, someone, maybe they actually made, like, quite a breakthrough, but they just thought it was not going to work because of, user routes.js. User controller, and I have controllers. But basically, I could see someone thinking, like, it's kind of like they make, like, some huge advancement, and we got this to run. So at least that's a step in a huge direction, I think. Okay, let's just do Postman and see if I can get this to run. And actually, did I even migrate this yet? I don't even think I migrated this yet. Okay. So npx.env sequelize db migrate. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. That got good. Here's my database. And I guess we don't have a seeder. And where's... npm run dev. What the hell is that? It's like all these little things I sometimes wonder about. Models. JSON. Okay. But regardless, I feel like we're getting somewhere. SQLite 3. What's this database called anyway? My database. My database. Now it appears. Okay. But regardless, we're running out of time for this quote-unquote episode. What did we do? Blabbered for 42 minutes. But we got somewhere. The second step is to simply get all this stuff to... Just need it so I could actually figure out what to do so that way we could get an actual database up and running. Use environment development would file config.js. Database test. Yeah, we don't have any Cedar files. So we have really humble beginnings. But the second step is to simply just get this database up and running. And then once we do that, then we could figure out a way to slowly just begin fleshing this out. Because for the most part, it's just going to seem like it's just going to be a way of just translating that Flask crap and dragging it into the 21st century. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a new repo, and then we'll just get this up and running. I have to get ready for work. I hate my job. So I don't want mutual aid because we need a new one. Repositories No template. Panda crap, that's a nice one. What am I going to call this? Mutual aid take 2. Bringing that mutual aid idea into 21st century and getting it to work. Now let's just call it private. Yeah, might as well do that. Create repo. And we want to... How do we add this crap? Usually it will just tell me how to do it, and I forgot about that. So this is just great. One last question. One last question. I made a repo in GitHub. How do I link it to a program I am writing in WSL? I have a token and everything. Getting it. There we go. Yeah, no. I could understand why they don't. Get remote, add origin, get add origin, this, get give remote v, good. Let's add it all. Get add everything. Get commit, initial commit. Need to add csurf or something and get a database boilerplate done. Get push, and it seems like good. There we go. I guess we have to use master. Figure this out. Allow. Okay. So you don't want that. See if I can spell this correctly. Okay, so you don't want me to do it here. Copy and continue to GitHub. Okay, so let's just go there. Let's go here. And there we go. I don't know what the hell I did, but let's just do it a little bit of a better way. LS mutual aid. Git push. Git push it upstream origin master. I like to have it main, but sometimes it. This makes no sense. Why does this not work today for me? But it worked yesterday, and I literally just cloned and pushed things like a second ago. CD mutual aid. CD mutual aid. Git add everything. Git status. Good. Git push. I don't have to do that. I just gotta copy and paste it. This is weird. Okay, but regardless, I'm gonna fix this. Actually, no. I am determined that you will watch me successfully do something basic. Yeah, I'm not going to transfer this. Delete this repo. I want to delete this repo. Good, PS, there's nothing in this repo. H9U0D2. Okay, so good. Let's just make a new one then. Stupid repo. A stupid repo. No, I don't want it public. Private. maybe I'll just do it this way. Still don't know why it's not letting me do that. Okay, so we got that. We got this. Let's just go to this. No, we don't have to worry about this. Now we need chat. I don't know why you're... Good config. Oh. So we're just gonna go here. LS CD mutual aid. Get remote and origin. Ooh, that's why. Good. There we go with that. Oh, I see. If you're using SSH, which I am, instead of H, okay, good. Select it. There we go. Get init. Stupid repo. Good. Yeah, because I am using SSH. And let's just git add and commit everything and end this madness. Git add everything. I don't want to have to deal with all that frickin' stuff. CD mutual aid. Code everything. Yes, I'm making it get ignore. Or get ignores fun. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's push it up. There we go. There we go. Good. Alright, so that's the end of this episode. Next episode, we're just going to have to continue where we led off. And basically just get some sort of sea surf crap. And obviously make a better database. So this is North Sentinel Island signing out.